Hello, John Reed here, Director of Operations. Update on the RoadRunner Grill renovation project. Here you can see we've actually installed the soda line and the beer lines, and we also installed the epoxy floor in the back bar area. Over on this side you can see we installed some tile on the front of the bar and also some additional tile on the back bar as well. Over here you can see we've installed the sliding glass door and the window. We've received our acoustical material for the ceiling. We've installed some doors and some additional windows. And over here we've installed all the lighting. We still got to put the acoustical panels up, but the lighting is up. We have the tile installed here, ready for the banquettes to be installed. Over here in the pizza oven area, we've installed all the tile and the pizza oven hood. And here we've installed all the wallpaper. Here in the back of house area, we've installed the epoxy flooring, the FRP on the walls, the grid ceiling and the lighting, and they're still working on some of the controls that control the hood. This is the server station area where the soda machine and all the computer systems will be reinstalled.